Hey guys, welcome back. And as you can see, we have our Bitcoin in our wallet of Satoshi. So today we are going to do a transfer from a hot wallet to our cold wallet. This is our cold wallet. Today we're using a Trezor. If we get 50 likes or 50 subscribers, I will do a full video on the Trezor. So we are in our wallet of Satoshi. You can see here we have our receive and our send button. We're going to use our send button a couple times just to show some elements of the Trezor and also to utilize a QR code function to send our Bitcoin from our wallet of Satoshi to our Trezor. So we're going to hit send just so that we can show some elements. So you're going to go in your Trezor, you're going to go to accounts. This is kind of what the infrastructure looks like. We're going to hit send again, just to show some of the elements that you need to press. We're going to go to accounts. Touchscreen's acting a little weird today. We're going to go to receive. Show address. We're going to scan that address. Then we're going to type the amount that we want to send. We're going to shift from Bitcoin to dollars. Send about $50. We are going to send that. It's going to send via Bitcoin. Wallet Satoshi, to note, does have a lightning element to send faster transactions. You can see the payment was sent. It's deducted from our wallet. And finally, just to show in our Trezor that we have our $50 shown as well in our Trezor. The full submitted transaction might take a little bit longer, but we can see that it is in our wallet.